We are living. This is part 7. In our last video, part 6, we were in the middle of defining our delete table method when I ran out of time. So let's continue with that. So what we've got so far is we've got the delete table method being passed the name of the table to be deleted as the parameter delete table. We've got the class property deleted table, this deleted table being set to the name of the table to be deleted here. Then we're running a MySQL query, our third to be run in this class, which is why we're calling it MySQL 3. And that query is basically to test if the table that's being requested for deletion exists. So we're saying select everything from the table that you're requiring from to be deleted. And if that query is empty, then it means that the table doesn't exist. So then we're printing out a message to the user which says the table you want to delete, this deleted table does not exist. Otherwise, the table does exist. And in that instance, we're going to say echo the table you wanted deleted does exist. The table you wanted deleted, and we'll print out what that table is, obviously make it a little bit better. So this deleted table, the table you wanted deleted, this deleted table does exist. And let's just print out the line space as well. That's obviously important. And that should be a semicolon. And that should be a semicolon. It's not just that we want to print out that the table to be deleted exists, we want to actually delete it. So for that we'll need another MySQL query. So this will be this MySQL 4 equals drop this just realised we've got another definition down there that can go. This deleted table so that's fine, and then we need to run that query, so we'll say this MySQL query 4 equals MySQL query and it's going to be this MySQL 4. Brilliant. So that should delete the table, and then we'll echo out the table this deleted table has been deleted. Okay. And then we'll have to put a line break, obviously. So that should be our delete table method, more or less done. So let's just add those two properties. So at the minute, if we want to test this, and we run our object.php file at the minute, oh, I've got an error, line 821. Forgot the semicolon. See what I did there? Runs everything and creates a table. Just double check up here. Tables. Okay, so the table is created, and we can see the table existing in our database. If we go to the, we can see the table here. But we can test our delete method now. So if we call the delete method, we should get rid of that table. So over on our object, say connect db, our object name, and we'll call the delete table method. And this should delete the table. Missing argument, I didn't pass it the table to be deleted, so I've got to do that now. So the table that we want to delete is cool table. So save this. Undefined property delete table on line 80. So let's have a look at that. Yes, because it's deleted table. That's why. So let's run that again. The table you want to delete, cool table does not exist. Okay, table you want to delete does not exist. Why is that? Select everything from delete table. We'll print that query out so we can have a look at it. So try and figure out what's wrong. So echo this. MySQL 3. Let's obviously put a line break. Let's do that again. Select everything from cool table. So it's checking to see if cool table exists. And then over here, this MySQL query free. This is where I've made the mistake here. That should be as so. And now it should delete the table. Yep, the table, cool table, has been deleted. So it does everything, it sets the host, the username, the password, the database, the table, confirms that the connection to the host was successful, confirms that the connection to the database was successful, it searches for the table. If it's found it, it'll say the table has been created. Obviously, if it's found it's been created. And then it selects the table again, saying the table you want to delete does exist, and we've deleted it. So if we jump over here now, cool table should no longer